Hello everyone, today we will be exploring about the Orcinus orca, or also known as killer whales. They are the largest dolphins and one of the most iconic marine animals. Their black and white appearance and tall dorsal fins make them easy to recognize. Orcas live in every ocean, from polar waters to the tropics, showing just how adaptable they are. Based on their behavior, diet, and social structure, scientists classify orcas into three main ecotypes, which are resident, transient, and offshore. Resident orcas usually feed predominantly on fish, especially salmon. They travel in stable matrilineal pods where the females lead family groups that include their offspring and descendants. These pods show strong social bonds and communicate using complex and consistent vocal dialects, unique to each pod, almost like regional accents in humans. Transient orcas mainly hunt marine mammals such as seals, sea lions, and small whales. Unlike residents, they travel in smaller, less stable groups, reflecting their stealth-based hunting style. They produce fewer vocalization to avoid alerting their prey, making them much quieter and more discreet in the wild. Offshore orcas are the most elusive. They are typically found far from coastlines, roaming open ocean areas. These orcas primarily feed on large schools of fish and sharks, although much about their diet and behavior is still being studied. Offshore groups often form larger pods, likely because their foraging grounds are vast and abundant, allowing them to travel and feed together more freely. Orcas are highly social and intelligent creatures. They live in matrilineal pods led by the oldest female and maintain strong family bonds. These bonds allow for knowledge sharing, such as cooperative hunting and caring for young. Orcas show advanced problem solving, communication, and learning abilities. They even pass down hunting techniques, just like human culture. This social structure and adaptability help them survive in a wide range of marine environments. Orcas are the absolute top predators in the marine ecosystem. With no natural enemies, they hunt in coordinated pods using advanced techniques like herding fish into tight balls, intentionally beaching themselves to catch seals, or creating waves to knock prey off ice. Their diet varies, where some pods specialize in marine mammals like seals and whales, while the others mainly feed on fish and squid. This versatility and intelligence makes orcas truly dominant hunters in the ocean. As apex predators, orcas plays a vital role in controlling prey populations. By hunting seals and sea lions, they prevent overgrazing on fish and invertebrates. They also keep fish populations like salmon and herring in balance. In rare cases, orcas have hunted great white sharks, reshaping the food web and allowing smaller species to recover. Orcas create what scientists call a trophic cascade, which is a ripple effect through the entire food web. When orcas reduce seal populations, small fish can thrive, boosting the whole ecosystem. But without orcas, the ecosystem may collapse, like the sea urchins overrunning kelp forests, destroying habitats for many marine species. Orcas also support the ecosystem through nutrient cycling. Their feeding and waste redistribute nutrients, fueling phytoplankton growth, which forms the base of the food chain. In this way, orcas act as marine guardians, maintaining the balance of the life in the ocean.
Do you know Orcas are an important indicator species that reflect the overall health of marine ecosystem. Since they sit at the top of the food web, orcas accumulate pollutants like PCBs and heavy metals through a process called biomagnification. High toxin level can impair their reproduction and immune system, and some populations have faced extinction threat because of this pollution. Other than that, climate change also poses major challenges. As ocean temperature increases, cause icebergs to melt. Orcas prey may shift to a new location. For example, in the Arctic, orcas are now seen hunting narwhals and belugas, species that historically face fewer predators. These changes could alter predator-prey relationship and force orcas to adapt rapidly, impacting both their survival and the structure of marine food webs. However, orcas hold deep cultural meaning for indigenous people around the world. In the Pacific Northwest, orcas are seen as kin, meaning people beneath the waves. The Maori call the Taniwha mean scared guardian of the sea. Indigenous knowledge like traditional hunting corporations or conservation ceremonies offer powerful models for sustainable stewardship and respect for marine life.
Presenting from here. So, threats orcas facing globally. Unfortunately, orcas face many threats. These include chemical pollution, noise from ships, prey shortage due to overfishing, and the effect of climate change. Some orcas are still kept in captivity or caught illegally, which can cause stress, illness, and shorten lifespan. Next is conservation and international cooperation. On the bright side, international organizations like IUCN and CITES sites are working to protect orcas. Marine protected areas and citizen science efforts have helped identify critical habitats. The southern resident orcas' existence depends on cross-border collaboration between the United States and Canada, which has resulted in initiatives to restore salmon and reduce noise in areas like the Pacific Northwest. What about the challenge? Challenges in cross-border marine conservation. First is just traditional inconsistencies. Second is prey dependency. Third is population and toxins. Next is acoustic disturbance and noise. And lastly, genetic isolation and small population impacts. Next, what is the global importance of orca conservation? Protecting orcas is not just about one species, it's about preserving ocean health. Orcas play a crucial role in marine food webs, act as charismatic symbol for ocean protection, and support ecotourism economies. Their widespread presence serves as a reminder of the importance of international collaboration. The fate of our seas is reflected in what happened to orca. Orcas matter. In conclusion, orcas are more than just killer whales. They are indicators, protectors, and icons of the ocean. Their survival is deeply linked to the future of our oceans and the planet. A healthier ocean means a more sustainable world. It's time for global action. Protect marine ecosystem, reduce pollution, and support conservation. Let orcas thrive and the ocean will too.